Make sure you're installing the correct model. Inside the package, you'll get one squeegee, 2 wet and dry wipes, 1 microfiber cloth, and 2 hydrogel membrane guards. Start by cleaning the watch screen with a wet wipe to remove dust and oil. Then, gently dry and polish it using the microfiber cloth. Now, peel off the white backing film from the membrane carefully. Place the membrane on the screen. Make sure all 4 corners are perfectly aligned. Press gently with your fingers to hold it in place. Now take the squeegee, press from the center, and slide outwards as you go. Remove the second transparent film layer. Rotate the watch and repeat the same step for a smooth finish. Use your fingers or the squeegee to remove any remaining tiny bubbles and remove upper transparent film. Give the screen a final wipe with the microfiber cloth, especially around the edges. Yeah, you did it perfectly. Your Apple Watch is now protected. Now, neatly store the second membrane, microfiber cloth, and wipes back in the pouch for next time use.